DMC 2026. D means die. M means Mould. C refers to China. Let's go and check it. This industry is quite unique. There's a lot of models. Look at those machines. The logo. Bang. This is a special English word. B-A-N-G. Bang. Wow. I think you know the meaning of this word. Let's go and check another one. Three up. VT Yale. YDL. Mould Spring. What are those products? Best metal. Yeah, there are a lot of different spare parts, maybe. Auto form. The other one is a Western one from Germany. CB Group. Let's just check the cheap ones. It's very time consuming. Longhai Mould. Miss me. Fibro from Deutschland. ZZMB. GCL Mould. Kaihua. FAW. Tooling. Die technology. The other one is huge too. Honrida, something like that. Lead. LEAD. VG tooling platform. A little bit busy. This kind of fair is exclusively for professionals. Normally they gather once a year. It's just like a shindig. Big shindig, a business shindig. The logo. 兴达 GMT GC Times GC Times sounds like a newspaper. AID. What about that one? Buses. Wow. There are some exhibits. 小鸭 ZELI. Yeah, personally, sometimes if the logo is not very easy to be recognized, it's no good, I think. Just like that logo. That logo. This is that BSA1. Wow, it's very confusing. Perplexing, you know. Do you know what it is? The logo. Yeah, your logo must be just crystal clear, you know. The visitors can read it from a long distance without any puzzles, confusion. That is my personal conception of a logo. What is yours? That one is from Yangzhou. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the haul. Thank you very much. If you are into this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much. Again, bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye.